My name is Lakeita Clark. I am a first-year graduate student here at Longwood University. I was invited to the open house here at Longwood, and just the smaller ratio of student faculty kind of helped me to make my decision in coming here. I didn't want to be a number in the classroom. What makes Longwood's program different is knowing the rich history of Longwood's academic studies and their programs. That kind of helped me to make my decision in coming and studying at Longwood. I definitely appreciate the fact that Longwood formats its graduate program with classes starting in the evening, because that gives me an opportunity to work during the day. That's been very beneficial in terms of working and also being able to study. The professors definitely push the importance of self-care. So I typically start my day through prayer, and then I look over my schedule to see what I have to tackle for that specific day. I work 9 to 12, and then I have to be on campus on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 3:30 to 5:30. And then following that programming, I have evening classes from 6 to 9. So for me, fun is spending time with family and friends when our schedules allow us to do that. I like to listen to music. I also kind of sketch from time to time, so I like the arts, and so those are some of the things that I do for fun. And then praying over, the day and just thanking God for another opportunity to, experience that day.